Hello, Happy New Year. I'm Nikki Eisenhower, host of Emotional Badass. I'm a life coach and psychotherapist, and this is my newsletter, and this is the January 2021 monthly mantra. Now, the inspiration for this mantra comes after I've released an episode called Explanations for Highly Sensitive Children. And if that episode resonated with you, you may have realized that part of what you yearn for, or part of what resonates with you, or part of what makes you feel sparked and alive is a sense of wonder, a sense of curiosity. And how do we do that if we didn't get that as children, if that was missing for you as a child? Or if you're a parent that recognizes, I want to share with my children in my life. If you're not a parent and you have children in your life and you want to give that to yourself and to others, then this is another emotional muscle that we can flex. So how do we do this? And here we are at the monthly mantra. I transform fear into wonder. Now I'm excited about this mantra. I'm excited about how you might use this and change it and tweak it and make it your own. So I wonder how you're going to use it. If I get scared and nervous about something that I'm going to put out, I help myself shift instead of being in the fear of it. What might happen? What if I upset people? When I notice those fears coming up, I can lean into this mantra. I transform fear into wonder. Wonder is lighter. Wonder is high vibe. Wonder is how we consciously see ourselves going down a worrisome, stressful, energy vampiring of ourselves kind of road, and how we decide decisively to stop, turn around, and walk a path of wonder. It's lighter, it's brighter, it resonates more with being in the present moment of what's possible instead of what's terrifying. What could go right? What could be beautiful? What could be surprising? Instead of what could go wrong, what could take us out, what can get us. Because the truth is, if something's going to go wrong, we're going to handle it right in that moment. In growth and healing work, we learn to trust ourselves and we grow these muscles. One of the ways, I transform fear into wonder. I wonder what y'all are going to do with this. If you want to let me know and you want to share it with me, you can tag me on Instagram. You can tag my Nikki Eisenhower account or Emotional Badass. Or I'll see you on Patreon where we can talk about it there in the next monthly live stream. Light and love. I transform fear into wonder. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.